In Gobi Desert, the 1776 km high-speed railway links Urumqi, capital of northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, with Lanzhou, capital of Guangxu Province. Up to 462 km of the line in Xinjiang is located in windy areas. When the Lanzhou-Urumqi high-speed railway became operational in 2014, a series of windbreak facilities were put into use, which greatly improved the safety and smoothness of train operation. While railway operators have adopted windbreak facilities to battle wind and sand, railway construction workers near the Taklamakan Desert in Xinjiang have opted to plant trees. For more than 30 years, railway maintenance workers in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region have battled wind in the Gobi Desert to ensure safe rail operations. On strong windy days, they had to remove sands from the rails by shovels. Now, with the help of new technology and windbreak facility, the situation has changed. The Lanzhou-Urumqi high-speed railway became operational in 2014. The 1776 km railway links Xinjiang regional capital of Urumqi with Lanzhou, the capital of Guangxu Province. It passes through several windy areas totaling 462 km in Xinjiang. Some of the sections see winds at a speed of more than 20 meters per second for an average of 200 days a year, with the maximum wind speed exceeding 32 meters per second. To shield the railway from wind and for safer operation, a series of windbreak facilities were put into use. Yu Gurong, Lanzhou-Urumqi high-speed railway maintenance worker, says, "This is a windbreak tunnel. Its main structure consists of concrete walls and ventilation holes. We have more than 200 windy days a year in this place. We built the open tunnels to ensure the safe operation of trains. These concrete walls are designed to be wind barriers for the Lanzhou-Urumqi high-speed railway. It is 4.3 meters high. Now we are only seeing a part of it. We have more than 300 kilometers of such walls along the high-speed railway." While railway operations have adopted windbreak facilities to battle winds and sand, railway construction workers of the Hotan Rokyang Railway near the Taklamakan Desert in Xinjiang have also opted to plant trees. As a key national railway project extending over 825 km, the railway will link Hotan Rokyang Launti in the Begolin Mongolian Autonomous Prefecture. Workers have created straw grids and planted millions of shrubs and trees. Wang Jingjung, Hotan Rokyang Railway official, says, "We have 4 ways to battle winds and sand. First, using existing shrubs and trees and farmland. Second, using bridges as roads. Third, building straw grids to fix sand. Fourth, planting more trees and shrubs." Now we have planted nearly 50 million square meters of straw grids and about 13 million shrubs and trees. The Hotan Rokyang Railway is expected to open in June 2022. It will encircle the Taklamakan Desert and connect to several key existing railways in the region. Thank you.